Hi everyone, I am Maradanayagam from Zyple Academy. Let us talk about SAP B1 SDK fundamental. SDK means a collection of DLL and support files. We can use the SDK to develop the add-on through Visual Studio.NET, VB or C#. There is having two kind of DLL is there. One is UI and DI to control the controls and data to fetching the values. We can use that particular DLL. Once the add-on is connected to SAP B1, SAP B1 is ready to sync the events to add-on. Events means the collects different type is there. One is item event, menu event and data event. Once you sync the events, the SDK files reading the events and get the particular form ID and other behavior of the particular events. Based on that one, the collection of script will be execute and react in SAP B1 screens. This kind of way this add-on is working. Let us go for the one of the example. If you want to connect the CFL and get the value or control the CFL, once the CFL form is open, the events will fire to SAP, then the data is collected and we can retrieve the value and find the particular object. Based on the object, we can validate or else we can do the other process, then it will be react to our SAP B1. This is the way our add-on will be work. In the next section, we can brief about how to add-on will be developed. Thank you.